want to show you because I finally got it, and you know, I'm so excited to show you. I opened the box already. Sorry guys, you know, it came very well packaged. Oh my goodness.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company.
Hello my friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Grace, and in my channel I DIY things in checkers because I am self-proclaimed a check obsessed. If this is the kind of stuff that you like, please make sure you subscribe to see my upcoming videos, or check out the link below in the description box where I will leave a link to my playlist where I have tons of videos and tutorials. Recently I had the opportunity to go down to Mackenzie Childs and paint with an Mackenzie Childs artisan for an hour, so an hour class. And I was quite fortunate, and I really loved it, and I had a great time. I do have that video. I will link it below. I did receive my pie finally, and I am super excited. So many of you have asked for me to share that with you, but I got it today, and I thought, I'm not even going to go to my studio. I'm going to sit right here and do it. So forget about the lighting here. Here's the pie I did. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now, you'll notice in that video that everything that's white was brown. Only when it's fired, when they fire it, that it turns white. So, you know, you're doing it kind of blindsided because you're just doing, you know, the colors and the design. So you really don't know what it looks like. You just have to imagine the white. But this is what I did, or what I chose to do around it. And this is how I did the inside. I'll show you. Oop. I did make a boo-boo here. I meant to put the date, and which was September 30th of 2022. However, I put 3/30/22. I don't know how September turned into the third month. Don't ask me. But I don't know what I was thinking. But I am okay with that because, hey, I got a pie shell or a pie dish that I painted myself at Mackenzie Childs. How cool is that? So there you go. It does say Mackenzie Childs there. I love the colors that I chose. The only thing is the date. But hey, you know what? It's okay. I'll live with it. So many of you had asked to see it, and I really promised you that as soon as I received it that I would share that with you. So here it is. I do want to ask you for a favor, please. I posted a video of a cabinet I did of a French country Mackenzie Childs inspired cabinet I did. If you can please check that out, because I mentioned this cabinet here behind me in that video, and I really need your opinion. I bought this cabinet for $50 on Marketplace. I really love the design, and I give you a full view of it on that video. I bought it so I can paint it, but I love it so much that now I'm so conflicted. Should I paint it? Should I not? Part of me says absolutely not. Part of me says, oh, it looks so nice. Anyways, let me know what you think, because what I want to do is because I can't decide, I will wait for your opinion. And depending on how many votes I get, I will either paint it or not. I will leave that up to you to decide. So thank you for spending some time with me. Have a great week. And always remember, you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. We'll see you next time. Love you guys.
Jump into the